Hey, what's up, Herd? It's Wednesday, October 9th. This is your market update. My name is Aaron, and let's get on into it. So we got Bitcoin sitting around 61,900 this morning, and we are down about 0.32% on the day. However, we are down a little bit since we topped out around 64,000. About 4% down at the moment, though whale money flow does seem to be picking up here. We'll see what happens over the next 24 to 48 hours. I do think we could come down at least to 60,753 or as far down as 58,000 before we head up into the right again. I think this is a temporary pullback, guys. I do think we'll make lows either here at 60,000 or if we come down all the way to 58, I do think that'll be the low for this leg. Looking at the liquidation heat map here, guys, we do have nodes down here at 59,000, but we also have a couple strong ones up at 66,000 and 67,000. So if we do come down at all, I think it's likely that we bounce off of 69 here or down here at 67. Like I said before, we could come down to about 59 to grab some of this liquidity here before we head up, as I do think these strong nodes of 66,000 and 67,000 will be our next targets for our whales. All right, getting into Ethereum, guys. Ethereum flat today, sitting on top of support around $2,400. Price versus whale money flow is looking good with a little bit of uptick in whale money flow. So if we don't bounce here, I do think we could come down to 23.49. BNB made a decent push yesterday, and we do have a whale money flow coming into BNB as well. However, we're running up against resistance here at about 586, so we'll see what happens there. We could roll over as the trend exhaustion has gotten towards the top here. Now, if we see whale money flow come in stronger, I do expect to get back to the realm of $600 very, very soon. Solana down 1.2% today. Whale money flow has continued to come out of this. We do have a little uptick there, so we could see a bounce. Though we did fall down below this downward sloping resistance line here, we had a little bit of a fake out to the upside just a couple days ago. So right now we're kind of back where we started, waiting for a breakout between about 144 and a bottom of 136. SWI absolutely skyrocketed up to $2.15 the other day. Is currently down about 13% off the top, sitting at 191 currently. But if we see the market turn around on this, guys, I do expect to see 220 and then some easily on SWI. Trunk essentially flat, sitting at 13.5 cents today. It seems to continue its downtrend, unfortunately. I do think we have some gridlock regarding the Save.Finance pool, and we found that some of the buying and selling of GNME has actually affected the Trunk price, so we're working on setting up an OTC market for that. Speaking of GNME, guys, we have been consolidating between 50 cents and about 45 cents over the last couple of days, and I do look forward to this pattern repeating here. So here we came down about 60% off the top. Let's see what happened up here. Currently sitting about 38% off the top, guys. And let's look at what this has done already. 360% there. I bet we could do at least half of that again very, very shortly. So let's look at what 120% off of that would look like. And that would get us above $1 at about $1.04. GNME did get listed on CoinGecko yesterday, so that could bring some solid eyes to this platform very, very soon. All right, regarding our SWI and Cetus play, Cetus is actually retaking some ground today. After falling over 10% over the last couple of days, Cetus is back up to 17 cents, which is great to see. This is where we were just a couple of days ago when I last did a video. And I do think this could easily go to 20 cents, especially if SWI starts making new all-time highs. Have we seen the top for the Bitcoin dominance, guys? And will we see an alt season soon? That is yet to be determined, but I do think it's very likely, as we have seen some strong movements in alts over the last week. Current market cap of total crypto, guys, is sitting right at $2.11 trillion. I do think this consolidation is over with, and hopefully we're in a confirmed uptrend here soon. I'd love to get this up above 2.3 trillion to mark a decisive upward trend move. We did break out recently, hitting 2.27, which did confirm the uptrend, getting over the 2.2 trillion, which was our last lower high, guys. So we are making higher highs. So I do expect us to start heading towards 2.4 on our way to 2.7 trillion. I think for most large investors and institutions, many are waiting for this election to happen. Considering we are less than 30 days away, I don't think we have too much more to wait, guys, so let's hang in there. Be careful with leverage, as we could see some major volatility going into the election. I want to give a shout out to those who are being affected by Hurricane Milton today in Florida, and those who got affected by Hurricane Helene. Stay safe out there. God bless you guys, and let us know if you need anything in the Telegram. The herd does stick together. With that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. We'll be back on Friday. Have a great week. God bless.